Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a pumpkin. Let's start drawing. First, I draw like an oval shape. I'm going to connect with lines like this. I love drawing and painting a pumpkin. Trying to draw and paint with me. I'm going to paint with rainbow color. Finally, I draw the stump of pumpkin. Good job! Now, I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Red. Orange. Yellow. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Green. Amazing! Blue. Purple. Awesome! See you on the next video.